Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to speak and discuss about this topic which I picked for today's video. And I hope you also seen my last video as well, where like I've uploaded the video on cue cards. So today the cue card is about describing your favorite website which you are using. So this is the cue card for the practice in this video. And so I have picked out various topics in English where like I try to speak at least 2 to 4 minutes while constantly like without stopping. So in the beginner stage we will make mistakes and stuck while speaking, but we have to motivate ourselves that we need to achieve our goal. And so for that we need to like keep working. So as I also did in my previous days as well, so after working on that I'm able to speak constantly and fluently. So let's jump into this video, and don't forget to watch this video till the end. So if I talk about like a website which I'm using frequently nowadays is trading view, because it is related to my field and I use it in the market time. Basically I am using like I'm into trading business, and for that I need to search out multiple stocks and like markets, and for that I see like various market where I'm not able to get all the data in one website. So for that I just use this trading view site, which is very innovative, and you will see a lot of different market indices and different stocks you can find in a one website. So this is why that is like important for me. And apart from this I use other brokering house like Zerodha, Upstock, because they are also good, like, but we cannot depend on them, because sometimes they while using them they are, because of technical glitch, they are not able to show the price of their like basically stocks. So because of that we are searching another website. So for that I use trading view, and it is a premium site as well. Like if you spend money, so you will get a premium thing, which is like without advertising, you will got all the details, and like and the company's balance sheets as well, like in this site you will get. And that is like nowadays very trending, because every YouTuber and other peoples as well using that. And so that is the trading view basically. And I think this is it for the cue card, and I've just spoken out at least 1 minute, I think 1 minute 35 seconds. That is it for the cue card. I think I need to like write down more contentfully videos for the YouTube and for myself as well, because that without like speaking more than 2 minutes, that is a waste of time, because I have like created this YouTube channel for the practice. If I am able to like do the practice very small, so that will not grow, and for that I need to like do a practice session where like multiple people can see my basically dedication towards this English language. Okay, so upcoming days I try to like upload more than 2 to 3 minutes on the cue card particularly, because I spoke and speak in the videos multiple times, but rather than like cue cards I am able to comfortable in like giving journal information. So that is not gonna help to anyone. So I tried my best to like work on this issue as well. So I hope you see some insightful and inputs from this video. If you found something relatable to yourself, so you can subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. So hope you all are having a good day. So on this note I'm completing this video. Bye bye.